Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this episode we are getting our paint fixed. I got my door and the fender that did not match in the back, and I got my quart right here, and we're at Industrial Finishes. So we're gonna go and try to get the right mixture done. It's a hassle, and hopefully they can do it right the second time. I'm gonna go into the store, get this thing mixed, and then we're gonna go back to the shop, spray a small plate of metal. I'm not gonna spray the fender, that was a mistake. I had so much hope that would match. Alright guys, I am back from the store. I had to leave my door and the fender there so they can match it. I also picked up some cups for my new SATA guns. These are 9-ounce cups, which are pretty awesome. They come with measurements and all that good stuff all in one, which is pretty cool, and I don't have to clean them after I'm done. So I got a box of 40, so we're gonna paint a lot in the next episodes, or maybe not. They didn't have any smaller. I got some gloves, and then got some sandpaper. We're gonna focus on this quarter panel today. I got it primed yesterday, and it looks also it needs some work smoothing out the whole thing. So I'm gonna start with 320 grit sandpaper, and then I will move up to 600. Same thing on this bumper. Got the whole thing primed, and I gotta sand it all 320, 600, and this bumper also, just this corner. Everything else been already sanded 600, and that's the plan. So I'm gonna start out with the quarter panel. I'm gonna leave this plastic on here for now. I usually like to sand it if it's not in the way, sand everything, and then in case I need to touch up some spots with more primer, I don't have to tape anything up. So I'll get some water. I'm gonna block sand everything. I'm gonna use this bigger one. And so alright, so I sent it all 320. Still got a lot of black left. I'm gonna sand with 600. Alright, so I sanded the whole thing down with 600, and I sand through some spots. Spot right here and right here, and a bunch here, 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 and here. What happened was I was drawing the line, and yeah, basically just sand through, which is okay. I'm gonna mix some primer. I already tape off this side. I'm not gonna spray on the inside because that is all good. I only need to spray this section right here. Alright guys, so I just went and picked up some more paint. This one got remixed, and I'm gonna have to do another test panel, but I'm not gonna spray the fender. I'm gonna cut out a piece of this van, or what used to be a van. I'm gonna sand this portion down with 600 and cut a hole like this and cut out this panel, and then I'm gonna spray it with this and see if it matches. Alright guys, so I mixed some paint. Got my gun using that Jetta 5000. Spray this panel. Got this panel sprayed. I'm gonna spray some of this wheel gloss clear coat out of a can, because I don't want to mix clear coat into a gun, because this is all gonna go in the trash anyway. I'm gonna spray this and let it dry and see how it looks. Alright, so got the clear on it. I'm gonna leave it in the sun and let it dry. Alright guys, check it out. So this is my test panel. I didn't really try to do a good job painting it because it's going in the trash, but that's kind of what it looks like. It's way better than the first paint they mixed, but it's still a little bit off. But with silver metallics, it's pretty standard. Anyway, I've been focusing on sanding this bumper. This bumper's all ready. Sanded, water sand the whole thing with 600. Also got this whole thing primed yesterday. Fixed the little spots right here and whatnot. And then I ended up priming the whole thing because burnt through marks, something like that. And so that way it's gonna be freshly sanded. I'm gonna sand at 320, 600, and then sand the bumper and continue sanding this stuff. This stuff I reprimed yesterday, and it needs to be sanded once again. And also I gotta sand this fender, because this fender does not match the color. See the differences? So much darker, and that one's lighter. Alright, got this whole thing sanded, washed. So it's all nice and smooth. Now I'm gonna move on to this bumper. This one's gonna be a pain in the butt. There's so many angles to this. It's all in primer. I'm gonna start with 320 and work my way up to 600. I'm gonna machine sand with 320. I'm gonna take off all the rough spots where I can, like all this stuff, and where it's all straight, and then I'm gonna water block everything down to where it's supposed to be. Alright guys, so I machine sand all this, not too far, just to take off the top layer. anywhere where it's flat, where I can just roll the D8 on it. Stuff like this, I can't get to it, so I'm gonna have to block some of this. So I'm gonna start with 320 and get all these spots, and then start blocking everything out. It's a very long process. There's so many angles on this bumper. It's like, it's gonna be a while. Alright guys, so I've been sanding this thing for a while now, and I got tired. So I'm gonna save it for another day. I sanded that bumper right there, this whole thing, and half of this. Still got a bunch to go, all these angles, whatever. I haven't got to this thing yet. Been busy sanding that stuff over there, but I'll get to it the next day. Finish sanding this, finish sanding the bumper. Alright guys, that is it for this episode. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you let me know down below. If you guys want to see more, make sure you subscribe, because we got a lot of new projects coming to this channel, and hopefully have some time to work on my old projects. But I will come out with an update on that one in my next episode, probably, with what's going on with my other build, all the issues I ran into, and hopefully how I'm going to solve them, all those things. So make sure you stay tuned. I did not quit it, I just got into this stuff. And so yeah, make sure you subscribe. We'll be back. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.